tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are doing what are we doing?
Opening a package.
I'm doing Temu unboxing. Okay, we got a few stuff from Temu and we are going to be unboxing it. I ordered another thing. I wanted to do the unboxing together, but Madam will not let me rest. So she saw this one. I said, Mom, let's unbox. So maybe this video is going to come in two sections. Maybe when the other one comes, we'll unbox it again. But let's unbox this one first. I hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please don't forget to give the video a huge and massive thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share, beautiful comments,
and also a hat.
Yeah, give the video a hat. It's still the same as thumbs up now. And yeah, let's unbox together. All right. Wait.
But your package came.
So these are everything we bought. We have to do it one after the other.
My papa's phone case
Leave it now, one after the other. Hi God. So the first thing we got is this I don't know what is this, but let me open it. Can't remember what.
I think it's my cup.
Which cup? Who buy you buy cup? No, this is a phone casing. This is for hobby. Leave that thing. Last one.
There's two phone cases.
Yes, there's two phone cases. So this is the phone casing. Ooh, nice. Ha. Okay, not bad. It's for hobby's phone. Alright, when he comes, we will
show him.
He will put the phone inside and we'll see how it looks like when he put the phone inside. Mimi, can I have this back?
What is this?
But I love the fact that this is the sound you get. That is what is giving me joy about this phone casing. So I'm going to put that back for him inside the container. So when he comes inside, because it's outside, when he comes inside, we will check that one out. Another phone case. This one is purple. Is it sure you like this purple one? This one is purple. It has this stuff.
What is this?
I think it's a
ETA.
No. It's here. So this is how it is. This is how we saw it on the container. This one is rubber. This one is rubber. I love the color. The color is nice. The color is nice. It's not bad.
Now for this.
And here, this one is watch band.
Watch band.
So he has a Samsung watch. So,
Mom, I saw two watch bands.
So his Samsung watch, he has a Samsung watch, and his Samsung watch, the wristband has spoiled. So he said to get
new one.
Yeah, a new one.
I'm a real stronger. What the? It's stick to my hair.
They say watch band now. See it now. Watch band. Nah, it's not watch band. It's pen. So he's Note 20. No, S22. S22. Samsung S22. This thing. The pen. It broke. So Mimi, leave that thing.
Mom, there's nothing inside.
Just leave it low. So you got a new one. And there's a new one you got. Hopefully it's gonna enter the phone. It's the same distance with his phone. Same color with his phone. Because his phone is like purple-ish kind of color. What is this? Nothing's inside again. Right? Yeah, it's empty. Madam said so, but there's nothing inside again. So that's that. I don't know why they said Note watch bag and his pen that is inside.
Now,
Not my fault. See your this thing.
your phone case.
Me and not allow me to rest. She wants to do unboxing. So sorry about that. So here is this is the I should turn which camera. If you enter the camera, don't you know that is how the distance?
Camera.
Sorry. The unbox. Talking about the wristwatch. So this is the wristwatch.
Eyeglasses.
Leave that. This is the wristband. Wristwatch band. Wow. I don't know, Seth. Diane. This is 1,
2,
2, 3. So
3
this one
ways
is
to buy.
gray and black with orange inside. This one is pure orange, and this one is black and orange. It's quite cute.
Black and orange.
So it's 3 in 1 piece. See their this thing. We're supposed to be 3 now. Okay, the third one is inside. All right, the third one is inside.
Now, what is that?
Did your phone enter?
I
Then
don't know what is that.
here is fast charger.
Fast charger.
The cable for fast charger.
Yes, and also for phones to charge fast.
So Oga don't put this thing for your phone. This is how it looks like. It's quite cute. Not bad.
Yes, how about the pen?
See the pen. Not bad, sure. It's fine.
You guys can pull your.
It's long go. Hey, wait. This is for iPhone.
And
This is an iPhone, and we don't have iPhone. We use
normal charger.
Samsung in this house. We're not an iPhone family. Yay! What the other person? What is that? Where is the what? So now aluminium. It's not bad. It's working.
Not supposed to be.
So this is the next thing we got. Another charger. Oga like 20 chargers. One for work, one for house, one for everywhere. Oh, I used to see this. Temu used to advertise this charger a lot. This one. So you got it. Anyway, this is how the charger looks like. Say it's fast charger, right? Yeah, another fast charger. But anyway, this is what it looks like.
Orange.
Then
Open the neck.
have we finished? What is this one?
I
Oh,
don't know.
okay, my tattoo something. Then I got
Mom,
matching-
this is your tattoo.
leave it. I got matching necklace for me and madam.
Mom, I'll
wait
check.
now. Hey, Jehovah. Who is cute? It's butterfly.
Mom, you can even attach it together.
We can attach it together. We're not attaching it together. Half for you, half for me.
See,
Okay, it has this thing. Let me see.
There's
Let me
test
take.
it.
So if you open it like this, you will see type C. Okay. And same thing with this one. If you open it, you see type C. Okay. Now you see that sometimes it's good to have a man in your life. Nah. Family unboxing. Wait, let me help you, baby. See, this one is for me. Yeah?
Mom, which one?
This one is your. Take. Let me put this for you. This is open now. Nails. Get nails. Be slow in everything I do. Now it.
Good morning, I'm too go.
Three hearing. You know I'm doing video. Her own has entered, so now it's time for me to wear my own.
Cute butterfly, I've been wearing this everywhere in the whole wide world. And here we go.
This is my own. Mimi, show.
My mom cannot attach. My mom cannot attach.
We cannot take it together. But anyway, half for her, half for me. Then I got this
Tattoo.
tattoo stickers.
Mom, is it only for you?
Before Oko, is it for you? It's not for children.
I have only the.
Take your charger. Finish. That is your package. Leave that one.
Eyeglasses.
So these are the stickers I got. They're cute. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ew. Why did they have this thing inside? I don't like that one. Anyway, I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. Come on, keep that thing. This Abo one, I'm going to throw it away because I don't like that. But the butterfly, I'm going to keep. So every other tattoo that is here is nice. Anyway, I'll put them on my hand once in a while. I'll show you guys when I have done that.
Can I also have?
No, you're still a child. Where did this thing come out from?
It's mean that we're moving.
And the last package is these lashes. Yeah, open. Open it. Open it now. See this vlog, just manage it. Oh yeah, open this thing. Let me finish opening it. I don't want it to scatter. So this is the lashes. I saw it on Temu. I decided to get it. I love it. Simple. This is the application menu. And this is how it looks like.
I dread of lashes.
Small lashes. This is the tweezer. And
what is that?
I think it's the glue. Okay, bond and seal. This is the bond and this is the seal. Wait, it's the same thing now. Then is the seal.
What can I smell?
So I'll take it to the salon for them to do it for me. Show me how to do it. Then I can now start doing it by myself.
In the
As
house.
well. Yes. So guys, those are everything I got. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video with us. It's kind of chaotic. It's everywhere. Manage it. This is and so we did one for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I'll show you guys when I have fixed these lashes. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I have fixed it. Maybe in another video, maybe in another vlog. And also with these tattoo stickers, I'll show you guys how I fix it in another vlog as well. So I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye. Mia, say bye. Mimi, say bye. Are you going to say bye or not? She's not in the mood. Alright guys. See you in the next video.